welcome back to Pokélex Studios. In today's video, we have a quick one for you guys. We just have 4 packs of Champions Path. These are coming out of a collection box. Hoping to pull one of the 2 Charizards from this set in these 4 packs. Not likely, but you never know what can happen when opening up packs. So before we do get started, if you guys would please go ahead and smash that like button for me. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. So we go to our first pack of Champions Path, and let's see what we can pull, guys. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video where we opened up a full box of the Mimikyu EX showcase with the 3 packs and the promo. The hits were pretty good. Nothing to complain about. Got a fighting energy, turf field stadium, pop, Beedrill, full heal, roly coly, Machop, Sizzlepede, Pokeball, Galarian Lenone reverse, and a Duraludon V. We did get a hit from our first booster pack, just a V card. Next pack. Really hoping that this collection box is insane. We can pull one of those Charizards, which we have pulled the secret rare, not the rainbow, but the regular V Charizard in a previous video. If you guys missed that video, go back and check it out on the channel. One of the earlier videos of the channel, we opened up a full display of the double boxes and ended up pulling it. Very exciting moment on the channel. Malamar, Turffield Stadium, Lipard, Weedle, Lenone, Garbana, Swablu, Sizzlepede, Kabu, Eldegoss V, another V card. So we got another hit. 2 for 2. Moving into the third pack, we have another alchemy artwork on the pack. Very quick video for you guys today. Just the 4 packs of this Champions Path. Very hard to pull those Charizards, so we're not expecting anything crazy. We got a water energy, Sonia, Kabu, Bede, got a Pokeball, Machop, Hatina, we got a full heal, Scraggy, we got a potion, and a Lycanroc. Of course, Champions Path holiday set. Get a holo at least in every single pack. And for our last pack, we got the Gardevoir artwork. Hopefully this one also has a hit. I hope you guys have enjoyed this very short video. We are opening up our last pack. Let's see what we can get. We got a fire energy. We got the Piers, Malamar, Sharpedo, Nickit, Inkay, Roly-Coly, Sizzlepede, Purloin. We got a reverse Sharpedo, and for the last pack of the video, we got a Lycanroc again holo. Well, those are the 4 packs of Champions Path. If you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. If you want to watch more content, there'll be a video. It'll pop up here in this corner right up here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.